All right, well, I guess we're on the road again. Today we're in the Winterton rollback, headed out to Colorado City. We had Bill from Utah Off-Road call me and said they got a mile or so down the dirt road here by the border store, Utah-Arizona state line, and ran into a little problem with Can-Am side-by-side. I don't know if they did a roll and a tumble or what happened, but we're going to run out here and get this thing gathered up and take it back to the shop. He wants to see if we can get it back on the trail today for the customer, and they're here from out of town. They've got a 3-day trip planned, and so they bit the dust right off the bat. But we'll get them out here, get this thing loaded up, and see what we can do to get him back on the trail again, and we will take you along for the ride. I'm gonna let it shine, let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Uh-oh. End of the line for this old girl. So my customer told me that this was, and this was. I'll clean it up a little bit, and then he said this was. But we'll see if we can get him back on the road again. get that thing loaded up. It's going to head back towards Hurricane. We're about 26 miles out from the shop, so we'll get boogieing down the road at a pretty good clip. Had a little construction on the way here, but I got that old girl loaded on the back there. And we'll get it down there and get it checked out. Hopefully it's not too big of a deal and they've got everything in stock. We'll get that baby back on the trail again today, I hope. So we'll give you an update when we get down the road a bit. Mercy sakes alive. I didn't know if I was going to survive that. But we made it back to the pavement. We are on the downhill stretch now. All right, well, we got her back to the shop. Dustin's going to get it tore down. Put back together. Looks like Eric's going to grab what we need to get it put together and hopefully get these guys on the trail for tomorrow. So these guys are from out of town and really want his machine running, so we'll get her back on the road again.